Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to iMessage on Mac using Apple ID, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open your Mac and make sure it's connected to the internet. Click on the Apple logo in the upper left corner of your screen. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu.
In the System Preferences window, locate and click on Apple ID. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID and password.
Once signed in, look for the iCloud section on the left sidebar. Check if Messages is enabled under iCloud Services. If it's not enabled, click the checkbox next to Messages. Now, return to the main System Preferences window. Locate and click on Messages.
In the Messages app, select Preferences from the top menu. In the Preferences window, click on the iMessage tab.
Make sure you are signed in with your Apple ID in the iMessage tab.
If not signed in, enter your Apple ID and password to sign in. Once signed in, you will see your Apple ID at the top of the iMessage tab.
Check the box next to enable this account if it is not already checked. You can also select which email addresses and phone numbers can be reached on iMessage.
To receive messages at your Apple ID, ensure it's checked under You can be reached for messages at. Close the preferences.
You can start sending and receiving messages from the Messages app. Enjoy connecting with your friends and family through iMessage on your Mac.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.